Hey everybody, it's Nia, and I've got this. This is the mini steam iron. So it's should be a small little steam iron. So we're gonna give this thing a try and see how it is. It looks like it's 1,000 watts, so it should be pretty hot. I mean, it should be pretty good. Let's see what's in the box here. So it comes with the instruction manual, a little measuring cup. The cord is nice. If you look at it, it's kind of like soft, ropey kind of looking. And then that's it, and then the iron. So let's, oh no, there's this too. I guess this is a little base for it to sit in. Let's open this up. So here we go. So this is what the iron looks like there. So it is a regular kind of iron. And then this, I guess, is the base. And it sits kind of on there. It's got a little silicone, little rubber tips. So I guess that's what's gonna kind of keep it in there. And then see how this other stuff works. It rotates sideways here, and then this is going to be the fill area, so that's where you fill it, and I'm guessing this is what you fill it with. So let's check this thing out, see what it looks like. Actually, I don't think I have anything to iron here, but we'll just try it here and just see how it gets as far as warmth-wise and stuff. So plugging it in. Okay, we are plugged in. Now let's try to fill this up with some water. Does it say how much to fill up? I don't think it has a fill line. It doesn't have a fill line, but whatever. Okay, so let's do that. Oh, it's on and it's leaking. Crap. Okay, let's try this. I turned it on and I had it sitting on top of this, and look, it melted it. So it does get hot. So this is it now. So this is the iron. So I guess this is where you would leave it to warm up. Let me just put it on there and see what happens here. Let's read some instructions and see if we're doing this right. So add the water, remove the plug. We did that, we rotated it. Oh, you're supposed to rotate all the way around. Okay, so if you see this here, I had rotated it like this to put the water in, but you can rotate it all the way around, and then the iron makes it easier to hold that way. So there you go. And then if I push the button, it should be putting out steam. I hear it making noise. Oh yeah, it's putting out steam. Can you see it? So yeah, it's definitely making steam, and it's an iron because it's hot. So there we go. So I'm actually gonna, I don't even know, is there an on-off button? I guess there's no on-off button. I guess on is when it's plugged in and off is when it's unplugged. So I'm gonna try to put it back on this base here. So there, you see, just put it on the base and it kind of holds it in place there on the little rubber things. And that's kind of it. And then the button makes it steam. So it does what it needs to do. Super portable. So this thing's gonna be sweet. This thing's gonna get used a lot. So I'm gonna say thumbs up from me. Let's see what brand this is here. This is IronSteam. IronSteam is the brand, I guess, but super cool. There's the barcode. Not a whole lot of stuff there. Here, I'll show you the instructions so you guys can see where I was reading it from. It was in here somewhere. So if you need it, you can pause it and zoom in or whatever, but you get the idea. Here's the back side of it if you need it. So there you go. So definitely cool. So I'm gonna say thumbs up for me. Seems like it's a good iron. I'm gonna be using this thing. So thumbs up. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks, bye.